Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this occasion, I want to present you the articles of therapeutic effect of aloe vera or croton oil-induced hemorrhoid. Now we're going to the PowerPoint. Therapeutic effect of aloe vera on croton oil-induced hemorrhoid, published by Suresh, Hasan Kosing, and Citra Velapandian 2022. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Arif Rahman Hakim. My student number is D1A230024. I'm from class A19A. I'm majoring in pharmacy at Al Ghifari University. My presentation is divided into 4 parts. The first is about introduction. The second is materials and methods. The third is about the result, and fourth is the conclusion. Now we're gonna talk about the introduction. The aloe vera plant has been known and used for centuries for its health, beauty, medicinal, and skincare properties. The name aloe vera derives from the Arabic word aloe, meaning shining better substance, while vera in Latin means true. 2000 years ago, the Greek scientists regarded aloe vera as the universal panacea. The Egyptians called aloe the plant of immortality. Today, the aloe vera plant has been used for various purposes in dermatology. Now the hemorrhoids. The hemorrhoids are vascular structure in the anal canal that help with stool control. Hemorrhoids are referred to as a disease when these veins become swollen or inflamed upon stress or pressure, which may further lead to bleeding, pain, and irritation during and after defecation in the initial stages. Progression of the disease can decrease the quality of life. Hemorrhoids are classified into 2 major types, external and internal hemorrhoids based on the location of the swollen veins with reference to the dentate line. Here are the pictures about the internal hemorrhoid and external hemorrhoid. Next, we're going to talk about materials and method using for this experiment. Now the first is drugs and chemical, such as pyridine, diethyl ether, Evans blue dye, croton oil, and Pilex ointment. Plant material and preparation. Aloe barbadensis Miller or aloe vera were collected in Chengalpattu district of Tamil Nadu. Experimental procedure. Ethical clearance for the handling of animals was obtained from the Institutional Ethical Committee. Grouping and drug administration. 30 animals were randomly assigned to 5 groups based on body weight, 6 in each group, G1 to G5. Induction of hemorrhoid. Hemorrhoid were induced with the croton oil in all groups except G1, which served as normal control. Next, evaluating the effect of aloe against hemorrhoid. On the 6th day, animal were weight and blood samples were collected from the retroorbital sinus, all the animals. Next is histopathology section where microscopically examined and histopathological change between the groups were evaluated and compared under 40 times magnification. And the last is statistics. Statistical significance between the group was compared using one-way analysis of variance or known as ANOVA. And now here are the results. This is the image of rectal anal tissue isolated from hemorrhoid-induced red measuring 2 cm. Now the table shows of the efficacy outcomes measured after 5 days of treatment. Hemorrhoid was induced in all the animals except those in G1 by applying croton oil preparation in the rectal anal region. Exposing the rectal anal region with cotton buds soaked in croton oil preparation for 25 seconds were found to be sufficient to induce hemorrhoid as the biochemical parameters such as IL-6, TNF-alpha, and the RAC was found to be significantly higher in G2 when compared to G1. And now we move to the conclusion. The conclusion. Aloe barbadensis Miller or aloe vera was found to be effective in curing hemorrhoids when applied topically. However, curative effect of oral juice of aloe was not comparable to the standard use. Pellex ointment, biochemical parameters, weight of fracture anal tissue, and histopathological analysis reveals that aloe barbadensis Miller has the potential to mitigate the inflammation and is much useful in wound healing. That will bring me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and the last thing to say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.